Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence. What does it mean and what are the application of artificial intelligence? So let's move on towards today's agenda. So what we will learn today? We will learn today what is artificial intelligence or short form is AI, applications of artificial intelligence and benefits of AI or artificial intelligence. So let's explore about the artificial intelligence. So let's explain the definition of artificial intelligence. AI is a wide range branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. As we know that humans are very intelligent and they interact and change their behavior according to the situation. Unlike software, so software behaviors are static. So when we develop a software, we define the behavior, we define the functionality that are done by our software, and that is why the tasks are defined. So unlike artificial intelligence, with the help of artificial intelligence, we make the systems intelligent as human, but not as human as we compare these things. So we use algorithms, we use procedures, and we analyze the data and make the system to behave like human beings up to some extent. So that is why artificial intelligence capabling the machines to interact human intelligence and change their behavior according to situations. So that is why artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines. So smart machines means the behavior of the machines are changed according to the situations and they are capable to perform tasks like human beings change their behavior in different situations. So that is why the smart machines are use human intelligence to interact and to behave like according to the situations. So this is the basic definition of artificial intelligence. So when we move towards the applications of artificial intelligence, so self-driving car, so car without driver is very strange, but the world is going towards the self-driving car. So what does a self-driving car mean? Self-driving car means we implement a system and we use artificial intelligence in softwares, so that is why the car will move without the driver. So in self-driving car we have sensors, we have cameras. So the car, the software or the system present in the car analyze the environment. Like in this picture you have seen about the right left and in the forward direction there are cars. So the system is analyzing. So that analyzing with the help of senses and with the help of cameras. So this analyzing is capable by artificial intelligence. With the help of artificial intelligence the car move without the driver. So that is why this analyzation is called artificial intelligence. With the help of artificial intelligence we create self-driving cars, self-driving trains, and auto systems, all the auto systems in mobile in automobiles. So the system is moving towards advanced features. So self-driving cars made by the IBM, so artificial intelligence used by the IBM. So smarter the system. So when this car is moving towards their object they analyze them and they applying and behave according to the situation. So this is a simple example of self-driving car, and self-driving car is the application of artificial intelligence. If we move towards the content recommendation, so if we watch movies or songs on the YouTube, so when we click on a YouTube we watch movie, so in the lower sections we seen that we see the movies like the movies we are watching, like the contents like contents are present in the lower section of the screen. So these content are recommended with the help of artificial intelligence. That is why the systems use algorithms and that algorithms contain the data and the movies we are watching. So like movies, the movies are recommended by other movies are recommended by the system with the help of artificial intelligence. So that is why in the upper section of the YouTube we have been seen that the labels are made by the YouTube. So these labels are made with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So content recommendations are very important. So if we search on Amazon or other online shopping, we if we want to buy accessories, so these accessories contain the other companies accessories like hand frees, chargers. So all these products are recommended with the help of artificial intelligence, and we call them content recommendation. We get the face recognition system. So face recognition system are widely used in mobile phones and in security systems. So these face recognition are possible with the help of artificial intelligence. We save the face once the system is developing, and when we want to authenticate the system, so we made our face in the front of camera. So the system use artificial intelligence to match with the saved face recognition picture we provided with the development of system. So these things are possible with the help of artificial intelligence. There are wider applications, so we have just explained a few of them. So moving towards the benefits of artificial intelligence, decreasing human interference. Decreasing human interference, if we consider the example of self-driving cars, so there's no human are sitting and there's no driver driving the car. So that is why it decreased the human interference. The human just develop the system and make capable the object to move with the help of artificial intelligence algorithms developed by the developer. We have increasing the processes. Face recognition system help us to authenticate the users, so authorized users are access towards the data or access towards the office or any organization security systems. Speed up our works. So speed up our work when we creating and when we developing a systems or softwares, we define the behavior and define the functionality provided by the system. So the users requirements are changed day by day. So with the help of artificial intelligence, we we click the user requirements and we change the system according to the user expectation and according to the user requirements. So this is the basic idea towards the artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. In the coming tutorial we will explain you about how the artificial intelligence work. Keep subscribed and stay with us. Thanks for watching.